Good evening, this is Indira Shah here. Today I'll be preparing a Kerala item known as Chakka Pradaman. It is a kheer, payasam actually. For that you need jackfruit here. Jackfruit I have taken one bowl and I have boiled it in water. You can pressure cook this for 2 to 3 whistles. Okay, and you need jaggery. Jaggery you can take either equal. If the jaggery is too sweet and if the jackfruit is too sweet, then you can reduce the quantity to half or 3/4 depending on the sweetness. And then you need coconut milk. I had ready-made coconut milk, so I am adding this coconut milk. So what you should do is, you have, after boiling the jackfruit, now grind them to a fine paste using the same water. Do not waste the water. And in the meantime, what you should do is, take this jaggery. This is sliced powdered jaggery. This you have to add little water and then just bring it to boil. Here, I'll be adding this much jaggery. Now add the water. This cooked water was there where I had cooked this jackfruit. So I'm adding the water here. Now let me put on the stove and bring it to boil. While grinding the jackfruit, add about 2 to 3 cardamom. Remove the jacket and add the seed. Okay, grind it along with this. Here. Now let's wait for another few seconds. Then we can add this grounded boiled jackfruit. Okay. Then this is coconut, fresh coconut. This you have to cut it like this. Actually, for this pradaman and any of the Kerala kheer or payasam, we don't add cashew nuts. We always cut this the coconut into small pieces and we deep fry it in ghee, and then we add it. So please prepare this. This is the jackfruit season. Every corner you are getting jackfruits. You can buy it and make them. This kheer will be excellent to the core. Excellent. There is no other word other than excellent I can say. Please make it and give me your feedback. Okay. Now at this point I will add now this is actually, I have filtered it. Okay. I have filtered because you have to filter it for any residues. Now let me add the jackfruit, grounded jackfruit. Okay. You should not add this coconut milk and boil it. You should not add it. Okay. Actually, when we take milk, coconut milk at home from the coconut, we take 1, 2, 3. So with the first coconut milk we keep it aside. Second and third we add it for boiling this, and the first one we put it once we put off the stove. Okay. Now let this boil for about 2 to 3 seconds. In the meantime, I will fry this coconut piece here. Around 2 to 3, I have taken around 2 to 3 spoons of ghee. Let the ghee get heated up. Here I have kept the flame on slow. Here. So let it boil. We'll bring it to boil the other side. Here I'll fry the coconut and keep it. Usually we ladies, we do 2 to 3 things at a time. This is not to waste the time. So when this is boiling, here we can fry the coconut. Trust me, you will love this Chakka Pradaman. Chakkai means in Kerala, in our language, Chakkai means jackfruit. Pradaman is a kind of kheer or payasam. we Kerala people, Kerala Palgatayers, we make varieties of payasam, and this Pradaman is a must during the wedding seasons. And in fact, we do Pradaman using the broken wheat. Maybe in another 3-4 days, I'll show you, make a video of that. Even that will be excellent. So you can learn the varieties of kheer, payasams. So will be very tasty, and jackfruit is a very good, very nutritious this thing we can say. But the people with diabetes should take care. But you know, drinking a bowl of this kheer will certainly not harm you, but be careful. And I love jackfruit anytime. Here. This coconut pieces fried in ghee will give a very good taste when you drink the payasam. You know, while drinking, you get this crunchy coconut piece. Wow, that will really taste awesome. The color of the Pradaman sometimes depends on the jaggery that we use. The jaggery that I have used is organic red jaggery. Sometimes you get a white jaggery, so whatever you prepare, everything will be white in color. And this jaggery was quite dark in color. This is an organic jaggery which I get it from Gujarat. Frying this will take a little time. The cashew nuts, raisins gets fried fast, but this coconut certainly takes some time. You have to have patience for frying this. This is the fresh coconut, not the dry coconut, not the dry copra. Here, this is boiling. The stove, the flame is on low mode. Okay, let it boil. Once this copra is done, I'll put off the flame. Till then, let it boil. Here they are turning brown, but not black. Okay, it should be brown all over. Here. So now let me put off the flame. Okay. Now pour this into the payasam, Pradaman. Now the flame I have put it off. I have put off the flame. Now you add the milk. Here. Here, this is Chakka Pradaman. Okay, Chakka Payasam, but this is called as Pradaman because here we are adding coconut milk. Usually all Kerala based kheer will be coconut based. Okay, the milk based, coconut milk based. This will be very, very, very yummy. Trust me guys, you have to prepare this because this is a season where we can, you can enjoy preparing this and serving your family and friends. Friends you cannot because of corona, at least the family. And you have to give me your feedback. Okay, now when you put this milk, do not add, do not keep the flame on. The flame should be off when you put this milk. Okay, now let me put this in a serving bowl and show you. Trust me guys, this Chakka Pradaman will be very tasty. I know you will certainly love it. I want all of you to prepare this because this is so yummy, and especially when you eat this, you know, during the weddings and other occasions, they pour this on the banana leaf. So taking it from your hand and fingers and eating from the banana leaves gives an excellent taste. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. I trust all of you will certainly make this Chakka Pradaman jackfruit kheer and get back to me. So thank you very much again. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button for notification, and please inform your friends. Thank you again, Vitvela.